What's up, guys? How are you all? I hope you're super excited for the series where we are going to complete NCERT reading of class 11 and 12 biology as well as chemistry. Please do comment down below if you want me to do physics as well. As of now, our first target is class 11 biology. So, invite your friends, like, share, and subscribe. And now, let's not waste any more time and get started with the chapter. The vascular system of frog is well developed, closed type. Frogs have a lymphatic system also. The blood vascular system involves heart, blood vessels, and blood. The lymphatic system consists of lymph channels, and lymph nodes. Heart is a muscular structure situated in the upper part of the body cavity. It has three chambers, two atria and one ventricle, and is covered by a membrane called pericardium. A triangular structure called sinus venosus joins the right atrium. It receives blood through major veins called vena cava. The ventricle opens into a sac-like conus arteriosus on the ventral side of the heart. The blood from the heart is carried to all parts of the body by the arteries, arterial system. The veins collect blood from different parts of the body to the heart and form the venous system. Special venous connections between liver and intestine as well as the kidney and lower parts of the body are present in frogs. The former is called hepatic portal system and the latter is called renal portal system. The blood is composed of plasma and cells. The blood cells are RBC, red blood cells, or erythrocytes, WBC, white blood cells, or leukocytes, and platelets. RBCs are nucleated and contain red colored pigment, namely hemoglobin. The lymph is different from blood. It lacks few proteins and RBCs. The blood carries nutrients, gases, and water to the respective sites during the circulation. The circulation of blood is achieved by the pumping action of the muscular heart. The elimination of nitrogenous wastes is carried out by a well-developed excretory system. The excretory system consists of a pair of kidneys, ureters, cloaca, and urinary bladder. These are compact dark red and bean-like structures situated a little posteriorly in the body cavity on both sides of vertebral column. Each kidney is composed of several structural and functional units called uriniferous tubules or nephrons. Two ureters emerge from the kidneys in the male frogs. The ureters act as urinogenital duct which opens into the cloaca. In females, the ureters and oviduct open separately in the cloaca. The thin-walled urinary bladder is present ventral to the rectum which also opens in the cloaca. The frog excretes urea and thus is a ureotelic animal. Excretory wastes are carried by blood into the kidney where it is separated and excreted. The system for control and coordination is highly evolved in the frog. It includes both neural system and endocrine glands. The chemical coordination of various organs of the body is achieved by hormones which are secreted by the endocrine glands. The prominent endocrine glands found in frog are pituitary, thyroid, parathyroid, thymus, pineal body, pancreatic islets, adrenals, and gonads. The nervous system is organized into a central nervous system, brain and spinal cord, a peripheral nervous system, cranial and spinal nerves, and an autonomic nervous system, sympathetic and parasympathetic. There are 10 pairs of cranial nerves arising from the brain. Brain is enclosed in a bony structure called brain box, cranium. The brain is divided into forebrain, midbrain, and hindbrain. Forebrain includes olfactory lobes, paired cerebral hemispheres, and unpaired diencephalon. The midbrain is characterized by a pair of optic lobes. Hindbrain consists of cerebellum and medulla oblongata. The medulla oblongata passes out through the foramen magnum and continues into spinal cord, which is enclosed in the vertebral column. Figure 7.3 Male Reproductive System. Figure 7.4 Female Reproductive System. Frog has different types of sense organs, namely organs of touch, sensory papillae, taste buds, smell, nasal epithelium, vision, eyes, and hearing, tympanum with internal ears. Out of these, eyes and internal ears are well organized structures, and the rest are cellular aggregates around nerve endings. Eyes in a frog are a pair of spherical structures situated in the orbit in skull. These are simple eyes possessing only one unit. External ear is absent in frogs, and only tympanum can be seen externally. The ear is an organ of hearing as well as balancing, equilibrium. Frogs have well organized male and female reproductive systems. Male reproductive organs consist of a pair of yellowish ovoid testes, figure 7.3, which are found adhered to the upper part of the kidneys by a double fold of peritoneum called mesochium. Vasa efferentia are 10 to 12 in number that arise from testes. They enter the kidneys on their side and open into Bidder's canal. Finally, it communicates with the urinogenital duct that comes out of the kidneys and opens into the cloaca. The cloaca is a small median chamber that is used to pass fecal matter, urine, and sperms to the exterior. The female reproductive organs include a pair of ovaries, figure 7.4. The ovaries are situated near kidneys and there is no functional connection with kidneys. A pair of oviduct arises from the ovaries, opens into the cloaca separately. A mature female can lay 2,500 to 3,000 ova at a time. Fertilization is external and takes place in water. Development involves a larval stage called tadpole. Tadpole undergo metamorphosis to form the adult. Frogs are beneficial for mankind because they eat insects and protect the crop. Frogs maintain ecological balance because these serve as an important link of food chain and food web in the ecosystem. In some countries, the muscular legs of frogs are used as food by man. Summary: cells, tissues, organs, and organ systems split up the work in a way that ensures the survival of the body as a whole and exhibits division of labor. A tissue is defined as a group of cells along with intercellular substances performing one or more functions in the body. Epithelia are sheet-like tissues lining the body surface and its cavities, ducts, and tubes. Epithelia have one surface and one free surface facing a body fluid or the outside environment. Their cells are structurally and functionally connected at junctions. The Indian bullfrog, Rana tigrina, is the common frog found in India. Body is covered by skin. Mucus glands are present in the skin, which is highly vascularized and helps in respiration in water and on land. Body is divisible into head and trunk. Muscular tongue is present, which is bilobed at the tip and is used in capturing the prey. The alimentary canal consists of esophagus, stomach, intestine, and rectum, which opens into the cloaca. The main digestive glands are liver and pancreas. It can respire in water through skin and through lungs on land. Circulatory system is closed with single circulation. RBCs are nucleated. Nervous system is organized into central, peripheral, and autonomic. The organs of urinogenital system are kidneys and urinogenital ducts which open into the cloaca. The male reproductive organ is a pair of testes. The female reproductive organ is a pair of ovaries. A female lays 2,500 to 3,000 ova at a time. The fertilization and development are external. The eggs hatch into tadpoles which metamorphose into frogs. Awesome guys, so this marks the end of the chapter. I hope you liked the video. Please share your thoughts in the comment section and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Let's meet next Sunday to continue the series with a new chapter. Bye.